There was exciting news recently when a new Whiteboard app was added to be available in Canva. The previous one that had been available that we had done a video on previously had been paused, so this was great news to see. Now to search for it, I went into apps and I typed in Speed Painter. That would bring up the app itself. I would then choose to use it in a new design and would choose video. I also have a file that I wish to use with it that I'm going to upload. I am going to stick with the default durations of 3 seconds for both the sketch duration and the color fill duration. I'm also going to use the sketching hand effect. So I will click generate now. It did take a bit longer than usual to generate the image, so that's why I paused it. But the video did ultimately generate. I guess sometimes when there may be that the app is in use by a lot of people, that can sometimes cause that to occur. But anyway, this is the video. And as you can see, it generated that effect flawlessly. To download the video, you would just click share, then download. Then we would choose to download it as an MP4 video file. If you liked this video, please like and subscribe. We also offer video editing services as well as live stream production services. The information is in the description below for our website. Thank you.